Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. Click your profile icon at the top right to open the menu, then click My Microsoft Account to open your account page in a new tab. Once the Your Info page loads, you'll see your current name displayed along with several account management options below it. Click the Edit Name button to open the Name Editor dialog, where you'll see separate fields for your first and last name. For this example, I'm changing the last name to Trayal. The first name field is already filled in, so you can leave that as is. Click the Save button at the bottom of the dialog to confirm your changes. The system processes the update, and your new name is now saved to your Microsoft account, which Teams will pull from automatically. It can take up to 24 hours for the name change to fully propagate across all Microsoft services, so if you still see your old name in Teams right after saving, wait a bit and then restart the application. If you need to change your name again later, just follow the same route through your profile icon to My Microsoft Account. Keep in mind this changes your name across all Microsoft services linked to this account, not just Teams. And that's how to change your name in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.